Hey guys, we're out here at one of our clients' houses today. So I want to bring something up about just basic house maintenance, stuff like this right here, rotten trim boards, the siding's starting to come apart, you know, of course window screens, stuff like that. This is a one of our friends' mom's houses, and of course, you know, once you get to a certain age, it's a little bit harder to take care and maintain your property. Cool thing about Warrior Wolf Contractors is we like to assess and bring up anybody and everybody throughout our network. We have a lot of our guys that we can have send out and get your windows taken care of, get your siding, fresh paint job, garage doors, AC, all that kind of stuff. More or less just make sure we keep everything up to date on maintenance. This right here, of course, over time, no matter what you do, is going to start to fall apart. You know, old age starts to wear things out, but if you do a fresh layer of silicone or caulking on your siding, making sure all your windows are up to date with a fresh coat of paint on all the siding, stuff like that, it will prolong the life of it as much as possible. So making sure you keep a fresh coat of paint on your house. Some people say 3 to 5 years, some say 5 to 7. It really depends on you, and of course, you know, you start getting into your fascias, your soffits, or your freeze boards, stuff like that, because if you don't maintain that, you will start to get your bugs, your rodents, all that kind of stuff, or some of your pieces just kind of falling off the house. It's 100% normal. We see it all the time, but more or less just making sure you have somebody to call for just basic handyman fixes, or sometimes if we came out here and there was hail damage to certain things, kind of like right here on these windows, some of the vinyl beading. Now, insurance doesn't cover maintenance items that we're not taking care of, but anything related to a storm, we can kind of roll those together. And then of course, if insurance is covering, you know, the vinyl beading here, of course, these window screens are a little bit more wear and tear than a hailstorm or a windstorm. But more or less, we can kind of sort of get you funds to fix certain items. And then of course, if we already got a window company out here that we use, we can get everything else kind of rolled in there and or get you a good price because we're already out here on site. Other than that, just make sure if y'all do have maintenance issues, stuff like that, you can feel free to reach out to us. We can give you a complimentary inspection. Sometimes we might need a service call fee, something like that. It really just depends on what's going on. So feel free to reach out to us via Facebook, email, or a quick phone call. And we can kind of walk you through the process on how to do that and get you set up on a proper maintenance schedule. Anyways, other than that, this is Garrett with Warrior Wolf. Y'all have a good day.